the first part I'm going to do is a quick demonstration of how you can use the calculator to find the intersection of 2 points. Now, the whole thing about it is if you want to use technology, just about any calculator out there, the linear equations need to be in the y equals mx plus b format, slope-intercept, because it's also a function format. If it's not in this format, you have to change it to that format. Or at the very least solve for y. Even if you don't solve completely for y, as long as y is alone, if you took like point slope and kept the parentheses in there and just added or subtracted the number that was next to the y to get y alone, that would be sufficient as well. So, but essentially, I'm just going to do a quick demonstration. This is my pseudo calculator here. Let me turn it on. It's a simulated calculator. If I want to find, for instance, I have these 2 lines here, 3x plus 2 and 2x plus 3, and I'm going to graph them. Okay, so basically, I got them in here. I'm just going to clear that. Clear. Come on, clear. No. Clear. Clear. That's good. So you just type in the equation that you have in slope-intercept form. And now with those 2 equations entered, all I do is hit graph. Now, depending on who used it last or what have you, it may not be seen quite as well as this. And yours may not be in color or things like that. So that's all, and I'm just going to see if I could, so you can see the results of it here. That's all fine and good as long as you could tell which line's which, based off of other things. Now, if it's not showing up this nice, go to your window and define your axes. I mean, the x min and x max say how far left and right you're going on your. So I'm going from -10 to 10 on my x-axis. The scaling I'm showing is going by 1, so each dot represents a unit of 1. And you see the same thing for the y min, y max, and y scale. The rest of the stuff don't touch if you have it there. But now I can see where the 2 lines intersect each other. So if I go to my calculator, go to the calc menu, you can see choice 5 is intersect, so I'm just going to hit 5. And it's going to say, ask for the first curve. Since they're lines, it doesn't matter which curve is first, which one's second, and you certainly don't have to take a guess because if they're going to cross, they're only going to cross in one place. And there's the intersection point. So I could say, based off of this, that the intersection point is at 1, 5. Or the solution to that system of equations.